Very good morning to all of you. Today I Sujata here for the 9th standard, chapter number 14, synthesis of sentences. You know what is synthesis of sentences? It means combination a number of simple sentence into one sentence. Like for a simple, compound and complex. There are 3 type of sentences in which we have to make in a combination. Like combination of simple sentences into simple sentence, combination of simple sentences into compound, combination of simple sentences into complex sentences and vice versa. So first of all, as we can see, there are different ways to make simple sentence into simple sentences. For a participle, by using an infinitive, a preposition with a noun or gerund, an absolute phrase. Then we have an adverb or adverbial phrase. In a participle, he was tired, he went to sleep. There are 2 simple sentences and we have to make one simple sentence. We have used participle in which we use being and having in this way. First form plus ing. Being tired, he went to sleep. Now in the another one, he had his rest, he began to work. Having had his rest, he began to work. There are 2 simple sentences in which we have joined one single sentence of 2 sentences. Then we have an infinitive. Infinitive in which we use to. He is going to Kolkata. He will establish his business there. He is going to Kolkata to. Where we need to join this sentence to establish his business there. With the help of preposition and noun and gerund, he gave them his valuable advice. He helped them with money. Beside giving them his valuable advice, he helped them with money. There is a preposition. Okay. An absolute phrase in which the police arrived. Again a simple sentence. The mob dispersed. Again 2 simple sentences are there. We are going to change in a one. The police having arrived, mob dispersed. Now we have an adverb and adverbial phrase in which he forgot to bring the keys. This is a common sentence that was unfortunate. He unfortunately forgot to bring the keys. In the last one, simple to simple, we have a noun or phrase in apposition. Suresh is a good batsman. He made 100 runs yesterday. Suresh, a good batsman, that is in a single phrase, made 100 runs yesterday. For this student, you have to solve these exercises. As I have told you, different ways are going to solve from simple to simple. Now we are going to move combination of simple sentence into one compound sentence by using cumulative conjunction like both, and, not only, but also, as well as, and. He is working hard. He is sincere. If we are going to use with and, he is working hard and working and sincere. He is both hardworking and sincere. If we are going to use not only but, he is not only hardworking but also sincere. In this way, we are going to change the different sentences by using adversive conjunction but, still, however, yet, nevertheless. She failed, she preserved. She failed, nevertheless, she preserved. If we are going to use yet, Ravi is dishonest. Ravi is dishonest. People love him. Still or yet, people love him. Okay. Then we have by using alternative conjunctions or, either, or, neither, nor. Come in, go out. Either come in or go out. In the last, we are going to use by using relative conjunctions. Therefore, for, and so. Raman was stubborn. He was punished. What we are going to use? There are different relative conjunctions. Raman was stubborn, so semicolon lagake he was punished. He was found guilty. He was hanged. Again, 2 simple sentences are there. We are going to join this. He was found guilty, therefore he was hanged. So you have to solve this assignment on your notebook, and even you have to solve question number 4 of this chapter. Thank you. Have a good